So there are two plates are there. So this is the capacitance. So there will be a charge on it here, no? Q charge. This will be minus Q charge. What is the force exerted by plate X on plate Y? Find the force exerted by one plate on the other plate. This is the thing. So this particular positive charge which is there will produce field. So again give the name. I think we used to give the according to Gauss law.
The direction of forces towards each other.
Yeah. Wait. So this is the field, you know. So the field produced by this will be in this direction. The field produced by this will be in the direction. So recollect the Gauss law idea. So then here, so this E4, now the charge present on surface phi, shall I say, will experience force due to this one. And what is the total field at point P? The total field at point P is due to sum of E4 plus E5. And we know this is sigma by 2 epsilon naught I cap. There's another background, what we know. So shall I say that charge present on surface phi will experience force due to E4. Charge present on surface phi will experience force due to charge on surface 4. So what is the field produced by surface 4? E4. So can we write what is E4 is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Don't write sigma by epsilon naught. These are what? Conducting plates. The background again go back to Gauss law. This is E4, no? So E4 plus E5 is what? The net field between the plates. So what is the force experienced by the charge on the surface phi? It should be equal to minus Q into E4 bar. Now come for this. Let's substitute all the things. Is equal to F5 bar. This should be minus Q. E4 is how much? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught I cap. Look at minus I cap. So how that force will be towards left because we got negative sign. So therefore charge present on the here is going to experience a force in this direction. Similarly, the charge present on surface will experience force due to the charge minus Q, either way. So we can also think in another way that now can we also put it the charge on the surface F4. So this should be equal to